Hi, my name is Kelly Gomez, and I'm the District Literacy Coach for Burlington Township Schools. I'm creating this video for parents in grades K to 5 to show the parental features for Reading A to Z, or better known to your kids as RAS Kids. This video, along with my other video tutorials, will be linked to the Burlington Township School District Literacy site for parents. This link is located on either Fountainwoods or Young School home pages under the purple parent column right here. So Reading A to Z offers a variety of parent features that I'm going to show you. You can quickly view your students' progress on digital assignments, see detailed reports on your child's reading and comprehension progress, and leave notes of encouragement for your child. This video tutorial will first show you how to request access as a parent and then show you a quick overview of the information that you can view. To start, you can access the RAS Kids link under the student column on either Fountainwoods or Young School's home pages. So down under the student column, click on RAS Kids. A quick note, if you have multiple students in the district, you're going to follow these steps for each of their homerooms, being sure to use the same email address each time. Once all teachers approve the requests, you'll be able to toggle between your children on the parent homepage, which I'm going to show you in a moment. All right, to request access for the first time, you're going to need to log into your child's account. Your child should be very familiar and able to help you with this. So I'm going to be using my daughter as an example and log in to her page. You type in the teacher, and again, your child should be able to help you with this. Find your child's name, and you will need to know their password. Some will be a text password, and some will be a picture. What you see here is your student's platform. The district has access to reading, science, writing, and vocabulary A to Z. I highly encourage you to sit with your child and have them show you all the different components and what they like best. So, to be able to request access, you're going to come up here and click on this green parent link. From here, you're going to click the link to request access, and then you're going to complete the request by entering the email address you want to associate it with right here. You're then going to receive a message saying thank you, and an email will follow with your username and password that's already set for Reading A to Z. That username and password will not be active until your child's teacher approves your request. Again, if you have multiple children in the district, you are going to need to follow this with each of their homerooms. So once you've registered and been granted access, I'm going to show you how to log in and what features to look for on the parent platform pages. To sign into the parent page, you're still going to follow the links on the home pages, but instead of logging in as your child, as we did right here, you're going to select your child's homeroom teacher and come up here to where it says parent. You're then going to add your email and password that was given to you by RAS. Once you've done that, it'll take you to the parent platform. When you log in, it's going to take you to the overview. And like I said before, if you have multiple children, you can toggle between them right here. So we're going to follow actually my son's page. So the first thing you're going to see is an overview. It's going to show you the assigned level and when they last logged in. And over here is going to pop up any exciting things that happened. Maybe they advanced a reading level or did well on a few quizzes. You can then follow a link to leave them an encouraging message. There's another way up here to be able to leave them a message that we're going to explore in a moment. You're also going to see the last 5 books that they read. You do not have access to read the actual book. You can hover over it and get a bit of a summary, but you can go in with your child on their platform and re-access this book and go through it with them if you'd like to. Down here, it's going to give you a little bit more information about your child's time and how they spend their time in the program. But what I'm really excited to show you is this activity tab up here. This is where I feel you'll find most of your information. So by clicking on the activity tab, I'm going to open mine up here to all. It's going to give me a bigger picture. And here I can see the dates, the levels, and what they did, whether they read a book, listened to a book, or took a quiz. The quiz will give you the score over here. So you can kind of follow your child's path. I can see that he read the chase, he listened to the chase twice, and then he took a quiz. And he did very well on the quiz. When I look down further, I take a look at ants, ants, and more ants, and I see that he read the book and he took the quiz, but he missed a skill. And what's really informative on this site is that it's going to tell you what he missed. So he missed, struggled with compare and contrast. It shows me here that he retook this and still missed something on compare and contrast and took it again and finally was successful. So I can go through past quizzes that he took and see. Again, here I see classify information and compare and contrast. I can go to a few previous pages and see, and I see here, compare and contrast, main idea, still struggled with this one after he read long ago and today. He struggled with these. I can go through and see if there's any patterns where, again, I can't access the book here, but I can go in with my child and see the books. I can read through them, discuss the books with them, and take quizzes with them to be able to identify where their strengths and weaknesses are. So again, I see that this page, the activities tab, gives me a lot of valuable information on my child's independent reading practices. So the rest of these right here, you may see some information and may not. It all depends on how your child's teacher chooses to use this. Assignments, for example, can be based on levels like it is here, or just different themes and skills. You can see if they listened, they read, and the quiz and how they did. If you happen to see any of these scores in red, it means that they scored below 80% and therefore did fail the quiz. Again, I would encourage you to either follow this path, find Carlos joins the gym. I can look back on activity and match that up and kind of see what he did. Or I can go in with my child through his platform and revisit this book and discuss it. Level progress just kind of shows you the overall growth. And as of right now, this school year, he's pretty much stayed. And then reading rate. Again, not much information, depends on how your child's teacher chooses to use it. Messages, this is where the fun can be. Here you can leave some encouraging messages for your child. You can see some that I've left. I've even let my daughter log in and leave him a message or two, and you can see where he's read it. He can't reply back, but he can see, and he does get very excited. So this is a great way to just kind of encourage your child to keep reading, and you can also see when they logged in because they'll see your message. Reading A to Z is a widely used program that supports independent reading in our district. If you have any questions or would like some more information about it, feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Kelly Gomez. You could also reach out to your child's teacher and they could get a message to me so that I could contact you. So I hope you got some valuable information. I do appreciate you logging in. And again, this video will be linked to the Burlington Township Literacy for Parents website that you can find on both home pages. Have a great day. Thank you.